Another seasonal day up and down I-5 in terms of temperatures. It was 91 in Medford, same thing in Grants Pass, 74, a little bit mild out in Brookings, 86 though in Klamath Falls. You've cooled off 20 degrees, you're at 66 now, 59 in Chemult, 74 still a little bit mild in Medford, and 69 for Mount Shasta. Along the Oregon coast, temperatures mixture of 50s and 60s. So again, when we talk about this heat that's coming in the next several days, that's going to be the place to go to escape the heat. It's in the 60s for the most part up and down I-5, in the 60s and 70s out towards the east. You can see 79 degrees. That's still the warm spot in Ontario, 5 degrees warmer than here in Medford. Now we do have high pressure again dominating the Pacific Northwest, and it looks like an impressive cloud band, but you can see as it gets closer and closer, it just melts away. And that's really what we're going to be seeing in terms of storm systems as they try to approach the Pacific Northwest for several days to come. So the surface forecast for the smoke, we'll see a little bit of some smoke from the northwest as we get into the late afternoon and early evening on your Sunday. And then once we get to Monday, we'll see that reverse again, and we'll start seeing the winds picking up again from the northeast, and we'll see a little bit of that smoke drifting into the area. Now higher up, again, we can't get rid of the higher elevation smoke, so we're going to have that continued orange tint when you look at the sun, or not looking directly at the sun, of course, but looking out and you see that orange tint. We're going to have that still with the southerly flow aloft. Now the storm cast, you can see as we go through Saturday or Sunday afternoon, not much in terms of cloud cover. However, Port Orford, you're going to have the low clouds, but Brookings, you're going to stay nice and sunny because we have a pretty strong northerly flow. And then we'll start seeing a little bit of moisture out towards the east as we get towards Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So again, upper pattern, you can see the reds out here in the Midwest, extending out towards the west as we get to the middle part of the week. Means it's going to get very hot for us, beginning especially on Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. Now we do have an upper level low that may move into the area as we get towards the latter part of the week. That may cool us off. It's not really going to cool us off all that much. In fact, here's another particular model. You can see this one shows a little bit stronger, but then it kind of fades off, so it won't cool us off all that much. So here's your temperature forecast. 90s again for Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. You can see temperatures climbing up. We get to Wednesday, we're looking at 103 to 105 as we get into Thursday. But once we get to Friday and Saturday, temperatures may come down a little bit. Low temperatures, though, they're going to be going from the mid-50s up to the upper 60s by the time we get to Wednesday, and then dropping off after that by the time we get towards next weekend. Tonight, we're looking at a low of 57 degrees, 54 for Brookings. Tomorrow, 92 in Medford, 70 for Crater Lake. But here's your extended forecast. The coast, temperatures into the 70s for the next several days, cooling off as we get to the end of the week. California, again, 90s through Monday, and then it gets very hot, about 100 degrees by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Klamath Basin, again, 90s for several days. You can see some thunderstorms as we get to Wednesday. And the mountains, again, 80s and 90s for the next several days. Your best chance of thunderstorms will be Wednesday and Thursday. And for the Brogue Valley, again, it gets really, really hot beginning Tuesday, Wednesday through the end of the week, between about 100 and 105 degrees.